In this safety spotlight, we'll be demonstrating the knee strike. It's a quick and powerful tool that can be used by anybody. The striking area is the top of the knee, or this meaty portion. This meaty portion is going to strike into our suspect. We're going to bring our suspect close to our person, either by grabbing around the neck, the shoulders, the waist, and then deliver the strike. Our body position is a partial squat with the rear leg delivering the strike. It looks like this in slow motion. Bring them in, bring your knee up, knee strike. Full speed, the strike looks like this. And that's the knee strike. Remember, we all have a role in keeping each other safe. To learn more, visit the Safety Spotlight on our website at dps.osu.edu/resources.